doing this. I want to add 2 more pipes, backfill this. I am now in the process of removing this tree that has probably a gargantuan beehive inside of it. I mean, I can't imagine how many bees are inside here. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing or not. I should probably call an expert. There's the beehive, and I can only imagine how big it is inside. That's what's freaking me out here. That's just one of them. I gotta get this tree down. It's partly dead because there's a hive all down the middle of it. I think this entire thing has a hive down inside of it, and you can always already see them swarming. I'm probably making the biggest mistake of my life right now. Should call an expert and get rid of these things. But I'm gonna attempt to knock the tree down and drag it off into the woods so they can settle down and maybe go somewhere else. I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. But that is the beehive up there. I don't know how many bee persons gonna be able to get up there anyway, unless they have a ladder. So, oh my gosh, there's so many bees. You see them all swarming. I've already started pulling the stump around the tree. I'm gonna knock it over. Hopefully it comes down in one piece and I can just pull it away and nobody gets stung. And hopefully nobody comes by here on a walk today. I did it while everybody was at work, so keep my fingers crossed. So I've got the tree knocked down partially. They are pissed off. I'm trying to find that. I see them swarming. It's hard to find them. That's where they are there. Can't see that in my video. There you go. They're pissed. I don't know what to do with all of them. They are pissed off now. I got the tree out of here. The tree's gone. Bees are not. They've moved over to another tree now. So the bees moved over here into this tree. Dang, it's pretty bad. Trying to get to me for sure. Well, they don't know what it is that's doing this, but they're pissed. They're trying to sting whatever they can. They're swarming all over my arm and my bucket. They're not happy. Hopefully they can't chew through glass. Maybe it won't rain since we did this. Huh? It's spread pretty good. Hey, yeah, just put the pile. If you can come back a little further and put the pile, the rest of it.
Let's drift away from this world of madness. Take a little time to enjoy the silence. Feel the wind as it touches your lips. Feel the sun as you close your eyelids.
Hello.
Think of a place where there's
There he is. Look, he's big at it.
take me by the hand and we'll drive.
He's hiding.
Time stand still as we lie in daydream.
Big boy.